Hello guys, this is Abhay Shah welcoming you to part 7 of resolution 2021. This is the final part. By month end I wanted to launch this. So here on 29th of Jan I'm launching this. The final part says that eat that frog. Relax, you don't have to become non-vegetarian for this. It only means you have to do all the activities mentioned in the to-do list, because in the to-do list many a time we mention those activities which we are not interested much into doing. Okay, so part 7 says that is the barrier which you have to remove, which means if I don't like reading a book, then the first thing that I must do on that specific day is to read that book. That will help me do two things. First, overcome those activities which I don't like to do, and once I'm done with them, very easily I will be able to do those activities which I anyway like to do. So that is how the rule 7 works. And if we look at previous rules, then the rules go like this. Part 1 was about your to-do list. You have to prepare the to-do list. Part 2 was about following your morning routine. You must have seen that on my channel in last 7 days I uploaded 2 videos regarding intense meditation which I do in the morning at 4:30 to 5:30. That is 1 hour slot. So certain exercises are also done, certain basic professional stuff is also done. That is what is morning routine is all about. Apart from that, part 3 says have some quiet time. When I do meditation, it is a quiet time. When I go into the nature's proximity, it is spending some quiet time. So you can choose any one of your interest. Part 4 says that practice gratitude. Remember all those people who have contributed some value in your life in one way or the other way. Part 5 is about reading an inspirational book. So inspirational means the book which may help you or which helps you transform yourself. So even one book digested or implemented completely is more than enough. That is what it says. Part 6 is about doing daily exercises. And part 7 once again, eat that frog. Thank you.